Do you think when we get old, we just sneeze more louder? I remember my dad, every time when I was young, he sneezed like super loud. Like 1 kilometer away, I can hear him like, oh, dad is coming. He sneezed like... Now I feel like I'm doing the same thing. And I'm not a dad, I'm sneezing louder, literally. And I asked it on the internet, I was like searching, is it related to age? And they said like, it's more like about confidence. They said like, if when you get older, you just don't care anymore. You just arch your back and you just like let it out, like kind of like that. But I heard also from other people, other friends, they said also their dad sneezed louder, but the mom maybe no. So I'm like, is it about age or is it just about confidence?